Found 3 pills in my kitchen, 2 bitches want one, I got 0 problems. If we got them, then I'm here to solve them. I'm feeling honest, fuck your feelings, sorry. No ceilings on it, it's inspiring how I feel this morning. Man, I'm sweating that everybody that come around me feel nauseous. Sun coming up, no one give a fuck, everybody still party. Different day, different stage, shit the same, still ballin'. Man, that sound awesome, don't it? Then I hit the J, then hit the stage and watch them hands go up like auctions. I'm not who they think I am. They tryna crop me out the pic, but this ain't Instagram. But that makes sense, I never really ever fit with squares. And I ain't never gonna find a box they can put me in. Oh no. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions, yeah. I'm pretty good at things that I shouldn't be. Only reason they ain't here is cause they couldn't be. And please believe my vision clear, they just couldn't see. I've been doing me, talking on these records like it's you and me. Yeah, I've been taking shots cause I faded thoughts on my favorite ones. And my view is high, ain't suicide, but it'll make you jump. Can't tell me shit like I'm celibate, I don't give a fuck. And answer yes, I am up next, there ain't no discussion. Cause I didn't change, I just grew. Can't say the same shit for you. I do not wait, I just do. Cause sometimes when you stop to think before you move, you lose. That's the truth, yeah. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions. I'm pretty good at bad decisions, yeah. Why is everything that's wrong feel so right? So I'ma ride this wave I'm on for one more night.